Hey everybody, Bill Poulos here, and I've got my Forex ProfitCaster trade alert software fired up, and as you probably know by now, the software tracks and dynamically analyzes real-time the 8 major Forex pairs for 3 different time frames: 60-minute, 4-hour, and daily. And many of you have been asking for a chance to see the actual results real-time here on the 60-minute or hourly charts. So that's what we're going to do in this video. Okay, you're going to see on these hourly charts we've had quite a few really good trades, and many of you have asked to see some of the other pairs besides the euro dollar and the pound dollar, which are very high volume, frequently traded pairs. So let's do that by dropping down. Let's go to the US dollar, Japanese yen. So here we've got a sell short red triangle on the hourly chart back on 10/19. At 6 a.m. Eastern, and you can see the market dropped nicely in a matter of a few bars, had a quick profit, hit the profit target on the first half position, and got out on the second half at around break even. And then following up a few hours later, a buy on 10/22 at 1 a.m. and that one hit profit target 1 as well as profit target 2. And then we've got just recently here at 1500 hours or 3 p.m. Eastern, a buy entry. This is an active trade, long trade. And you can see the first profit target is at the dark blue line, or 79.99 on a limit order. Second profit target at 80.07 on a limit order, because we want to scale out of these trades in 2 steps. And then here's our initial stop at 79.83. Now, of course, not every trade's going to be a winner, and that's why you got to protect these trades and be kind of stingy with your stop, but don't place it too tight that you get stopped out prematurely, but not so far away that you're risking a lot. So we're okay to take a small loss in favor of this larger profit. So we'll have to see how this trade plays out. It's too early to tell, but I'll tell you this, we'll be moving this stop up as soon as possible. Probably in another hour or so. The software will alert you when that happens. In fact, you can see right here the stop has already moved up, as signified by the green arrow here. Okay, let's pick another one. Scroll on down here. Let's do the Australian US dollar. Okay, this one we've got actually 3 sell shorts in a row, looks like. Okay, so this one was back on 10/21. 1800 hours, selling short right here and covering for a quick, nice profit. Let's see, the average true range was 13 pips at that point, and the market dropped about 20. So the first half profit was 13 pips, the second half would have been about 6 pips. Remember, these are hourly charts, so you got the smaller pip gains than you would have on a 4-hour or daily chart. Of course, that's why we give you all 3 options. Here's another sell short at 300 hours, 10/22, right in here, and again, that one just barely hit the first profit target and was out at break even on the second half position. Okay, then we've got another sell short entered on 10/22 at 1200 hours Eastern. This one quickly dropped in a matter of a couple hours, hit the first profit target, almost hit the second profit target, but then got stopped out with our tightening trailing stop. And so this one made 12 pips on the first half position and about 6 pips on the second half. Okay, let's look at one more. Let's pick one of the lesser traded pairs, although still highly liquid. How about Euro Japanese yen? Okay, here's a short trade that went short right here on 10/19 and chopped around sideways, but then dropped real nicely on down and hit both profit targets. First half position 22 pips, second half 44. Very, very nice trade. And then we've got a long setup here, an entry on 10/21 at 2100 hours. And you can see this is, you wish all trades were like this. This just went straight up, hit both profit targets in no time at all, making 19 pips on the first half and 38 pips on the second half position. And then we got a buy entry here at 1600 hours on 10/22. That is a new trade. It's active. So far so good. It's moving higher. And here's our initial stop in red at 104.17. Entering at 104.35 with the first profit target at 104.53 in dark blue. And so as this trade progresses, the software is going to start moving this stop up pretty rapidly to zero out the risk in the trade and start locking in profits on the way to the first profit target. So we'll just have to see how this one plays out. So I just wanted to give you an overall flavor of what the hourly charts are doing right now. Depending on your trading preference, your lifestyle, there's a time frame that will fit your schedule, whether it's hourly, 4-hour, or daily. Remember that every time a setup occurs, you'll get an email alert as well as you'll be alerted on the chart. And when you get an alert to enter into a position, you'll be given the entry price, profit target 1, profit target 2, and the initial stop price all at the same time. Whenever there's a change in the stop price, you'll get another alert telling you to change the stop, zeroing out the risk in the trade, tightening up, locking in profits. That's how you trade with the Forex ProfitCaster. I'd encourage you to join with our students and sign up for your 60-day trial today.